The Odyssey, Scylla and Charybdis. The primary characters of this adventure are Odysseus, Scylla, and Charybdis. Odysseus is the main character and leader of the crew. In this adventure, he guides the crew past obstacles, which are Scylla and Charybdis. Scylla is the main obstacle. She is a huge, hideous monster that has 6 necks and heads, which she uses to snatch travelers out of ships and eat. Charybdis is another obstacle, but she mainly serves as a choice for Odysseus when he has to choose between the 2 paths. She's a huge whirlpool able to sink entire ships. Some important vocabulary to know is maelstrom, a large, powerful, or violent whirlpool. This word is used to describe Charybdis. Surf casting, the act, technique, or sport of fishing by casting from the shoreline into the sea. This is used to describe the technique that Scylla uses to get her victims, a technique similar to surf casting. Travail, painfully difficult or burdensome work. Heave, to raise or lift with effort or force. These 2 words aren't primarily used, but they are helpful to know and help you understand the story. Important events. Some important events that happen is first, Odysseus and his crew sail away from the Simons, which was the last adventure. Now, Odysseus made up his mind that he wanted to sail by Scylla, because he believed that that would get most of his crew alive. So he sails past Scylla. He does not tell the crew about Scylla, because he thinks that if they know, they will be too afraid to go on and just give up, and he wants to go home. So the crew can see Charybdis on the other side. They see this big, swirling whirlpool, and they start to get scared. But they just keep going, and they go into this dark, stormy, gray area. And they get even more scared. But before they can do anything, Scylla strikes and takes 6 men with her. And they start to panic. But Odysseus knows this was going to happen. He tells them to keep sailing on. And they get through to the other side of the area. And they're off. They're going off to the sea into the next adventure.